Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube and confirming you're signed in. This matters because history is tied to your account. Once signed in, tap your profile picture and go to Settings. On mobile, that's within the app. On desktop, it's the menu. Make sure the app is updated. Updates move controls. Now navigate to History and Privacy so you can reach Search History controls quickly. This is the first actionable step to stop future entries. Once in History and Privacy, find the Pause Search History toggle. This is the critical control. You flip that toggle to pause recording of future searches. Doing so stops new items from appearing in your account history across devices. If you want a clean slate right away, use the Clear Search History button. That removes past searches stored up to this point. Make sure to confirm any prompts so the change is saved to your Google account settings. To finish, verify the pause took effect. Perform a test search and check history. It should not appear. If you still see activity, make sure other signed-in devices applied the same pause or sign out where appropriate. History sync can lag. If controls appear missing, update the app, clear cache, or restart the device and repeat the steps. A quick workaround is to use YouTube Incognito or Search while logged out for immediate privacy when troubleshooting persists.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.